Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are diving into a review of a living room audio upgrade, the Samsung HW-B46CF, a 2.1 soundbar with wireless subwoofer. If you are looking to bring your favorite films, shows to life, this soundbar is a compelling option. It packs 300 watts of power and 3 speakers tuned by Samsung's award-winning audio lab in a sleek 2.1 channel system. The promise: crystal clear, dynamic sound that elevates everything you watch on your TV. A dedicated center speaker ensures you never miss a word of a dialogue, while technologies like Dolby Audio and DTS Visual X work to create a surprisingly immersive surround sound-like experience without the need for extra rear speakers. The idea is to get audio that adapts in a real time, from whispered conversations to explosive action scenes, all controllable at the touch of a button. Now let's break down the key features. This soundbar got 300 watts of powerful sound. This delivers true cinematic quality audio to your living room. You also got voice enhancement mode. It focuses on dialogue, so you catch every single word. This soundbar also got bass boost mode. Instantly improve low frequencies for a deeper, more impactful rumbling. The game mode automatically configured audio for an optimal gaming experience. Bluetooth connectivity: this lets you position your soundbar anywhere without being tethered by cable. Also HDMI ARC compatible for a single plug and play high quality audio connection to your modern TV. Night mode reduces heavy bars while maintaining clarity for those late night viewing sessions. Wireless surround sound ready. You can easily upgrade the system later with additional Samsung wireless rear speaker. One remote control simplifies operation by controlling multiple connected devices. And a quick note in terms of audio power: this tells you how much electricity a speaker uses to produce sound. It measures in watts, and generally a high wattage like this 300 watt system means less distortion at louder volumes and better overall sound quality. For setup and connectivity, this sound system offers a mixed features of options. You get the convenience of Bluetooth for wire-free streaming, plus the high definition reliability of physical connectivity. The full connectivity breakdown: HDMI out with ARC and SEC, one port. This is your best, simplest connection for modern TVs. One optical port, a solid digital alternative. Bluetooth yes 4.2 version. USB music playback for playing file directly. This soundbar hasn't got Wi-Fi network and no HDMI in option. On the audio feature, it supports Dolby Audio decoding. Key sound modes include voice enhancement, night mode, bass boost, and game pro. For immersive sound, you have surround sound expansion and DTS Visual X. It also includes adaptive sound lit to optimize audio based on content. This gear is a 2.1 channel system. The main bar houses 3 speakers and it comes in this sleek titanic black finish. So we're going to unbox this gear, check it out and see what is inside. This is the subwoofer, the information pack, remote control, 2 power cables, wall mount, and the battery are all inside. See what it looks like. The top is wood formica and with cloth in front of it. This is the subwoofer. Remote control, wall mount kit, the battery, the power cables. So the soundbar, you got digital audio in, it's optical, it goes in here. HDMI ARC goes to this port and USB goes to this port. Then the power cable goes in here. So take the power cable, connect it to the power cable port, plug it on to the socket. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the subwoofer, plug it onto the socket. Take the battery, then on the remote control, pull the cover down. On the right side, the negative goes on the top. Then on the left side, negative goes to the bottom. So positive on the top, negative on the bottom. Then slide the cover back up. Now this is the remote control. We're going to switch the soundbar on and off on this button. This button is the input or function or source. You select this to select HDMI or optical. Then this button is Bluetooth pairing. You have center is pause and play. You also have up and down and side buttons. This button is mute. This button is sound mode. For you to select the sound mode, standard, bass, boost, etc. Then plus and minus, push this button up towards the plus area for you to increase the volume. Push it down to decrease the volume. This button is woofer. Push it up to increase the woofer volume, or push it down, it goes all the way to -12. This button is channel level, and this button is tone control, and this button is for you to select night mode, voice enhancement, and this button is display. So we're going to connect this soundbar via Bluetooth. So switch the soundbar on. It's showing us hello and currently showing us TV ARC. Select Bluetooth and it's showing us BT pairing. So we're going to connect this using the mobile phone. Now what you need to do is go to your phone setting, then go to connections, then switch Bluetooth on in the connections. Then once the Bluetooth is on your phone, select the Bluetooth, and once you select the Bluetooth, it will start to search for available Bluetooth device. So look on the list, we have B series. Select B series, Bluetooth pairing request, select pair, and it's connected. If you look on the soundbar, it will show you my name and also show you the phone that is connected with. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. So select my playlist. If you want to switch night mode or voice enhancement on, you need to select this button. If you select it, then you select up, it will show you on. If you select it, it will show you voice enhancement. It goes off. Use this button to switch it on or off. Likewise, if we select, it goes to night mode, switch it on, night mode is off. If you select it again, it will show you voice enhancement. Use up to switch it on or off. So this button is for you to select night mode and voice enhancement. Once you select it, then you select up or down to switch it on. If you switch on, you can also switch it off again by selecting the same button. So this soundbar deserves your attention. Very much happy with it. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.